Well, this conference is themed about, where innovation shines in wonderful Australia. And for us at Bayer, we are really highlighting the innovation we have in our rice products, our portfolio, particularly important for Asia Pacific, which is where we are in this in Australian conference this year. And we have innovation in the form of bringing new traits to rice into our hybrid rice system. We have a flood friendly rice. We also have a rice that can resist the attack of particular pests and diseases that are really bringing yields down, and these varieties in the hybrid system are making a big impact on rice farming in Asia in particular.
Underpinning most of it is the kind of technology that can be able to either control pests and diseases better than we did before in a safer and better way, as well as the crop efficiency. This is one of the really new areas. And linked to all of that is, of course, the fact that we need to have all of these competencies that make this work together, the sort of intersection of products, services, equipment, and film coatings. So you really need to have all of these working in harmony with one another. So each innovation in itself is important, but you have to have this system, this complex of things working together.
We're absolutely passionate about innovation. Innovation to us means more than just innovative products, which of course is at the core of our business. But then with our 4 competencies, we also like to innovate with our services, coatings, equipment, really being at that intersection of all the competencies that we have and really striving for supporting our customers with innovative solutions.
As far as innovation goes with our products, we're certainly looking at some new products this year. We're looking at the Evergold range, which we brought to Australia as innovation, and now looking at Evergold Energy, which is an extension of our Evergold Prime brand, and we're looking to introduce that this year. And that will enable farmers to have a product that has a very wide label range and a very flexible application fit for their farming business.
Sustainability is key for us. Of course, we know that we need to do that in partnership, and we've worked a lot here at this conference to position ourselves with Plant Breeders Without Borders, and this is a great initiative that we're taking forward very strategically in our company to bring the partnerships, to bring the initiatives to life, to look at how we can help the very smallholder farmers and work in developing countries to help them grow and breed new crops, to work on the knowledge sharing, and in particularly the ones that are orphan crops or underutilised. That's an area where, for sustainability, it's not about big business, it's about making sure that we can improve the lives of those farmers and give them something that will be long lasting. And so this is another step in our journey, and we hope to continue this one for a long time.
Sustainability is absolutely critical. We need to be able to steward our products properly, look after them, ensure that they're used correctly, to ensure that the customer gets what he paid for, and that we take good care of the environment and all the issues that the public is rightfully concerned about. Sustainability,
again, is also the core of what we do. We really want to ensure that our products are used in a safe way. We strive for excellence in product stewardship, so that is something that we also invest a lot of resources into, really ensuring also looking into innovative technologies, be it in factory, so basically during the treatment process, making sure that it's absolutely safe for humans, but then also during the sowing process. I mean, there's lots of ways where we can bring innovation to make sure that our products are used in a safe way.
This is incredible. You get to see people from all over the world, and we spend most of our time here talking to people, and that's the really critical part, because if you don't talk to your customer, you don't really get to know what his needs are. There's no ways you can really bring about useful innovation. So that's the most critical part, and for us, I think at an event like this, for me, it's mostly about the contact with the customer, really understanding it. It's been, for me, fascinating talking to the number of customers that we have talked to over the last couple of days.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the whole team is really busy meeting with customers. And I think really the charming part about a congress like ISF is that we have the opportunity to meet people from all over the globe. So we've met customers from LATAM, so from Latin America, from the US, a lot of customers actually from Australia. And it's just really inspiring to listen to what they have to say, what their needs are, what they see as trends in the industry. So we really enjoyed this opportunity to learn more, basically.
there's a lot of good material that we can get out to the average discussion, and embracing that, we call it in Bayer advocacy, and so that's making sure that we've got those stories in the most consumable way, that we can take colour and life and stories about farmers actually improving their lives, sending their kids to school, using the benefits of the value they derive from agriculture, growing better crops, and putting that into a lifelong story and a value add for not only them, but people feel that's important to do. So again, getting the balance right and getting those stories out outside of the industry discussion and to the consumers is really important.